Hi fam, welcome back. So for our oven baked chicken and potato with our vegetables, we need our chicken obviously. Our potatoes, we are using Irish potatoes. We need some carrots, green beans. Yeah, our spices. We have thyme, we have dried onions, we have cayenne pepper, we have paprika powder, we have curry, and I also have Persil. I'm going to be using this for the potatoes. And I also have my coconut oil. So I have one seasoning cube to season the chicken. And I also have salt for taste. So I'm going to start by seasoning the chicken. So yeah, I'm adding a little seasoning cube. Curry powder. Paprika powder. Thyme. Dried onions. It's called echalot, but it's dried onions. And cayenne pepper. And salt for taste. We don't have to forget that. So guys, I've already washed my hands. So if you want to do this with your hand, make sure your hands are clean, guys. So I'm just mixing the ingredients so that the ingredients can marry the chicken, or the chicken can marry the ingredients. So I'm adding my barbecue sauce. I just like adding barbecue sometimes, you know. You just give your chicken that barbecue taste and sense. So guys, I'm adding salt again. You always have to taste for salt so that you know if you need to add more salt. Now I'll be setting the chicken outside. I'll be putting it in the fridge so that the chicken can marry the ingredients. Okay guys, the chicken is in the fridge now. I'm going to be prepping my potatoes. I'm just peeling the potatoes and putting it inside the water. So you can cut the potatoes in any size that you want, but make sure it's not too big so that thing can cook fast, you know. Right now, I'm just removing the excess water with a paper towel. So I'm adding my persil, my salt, and my coconut oil. You can use olive oil or sunflower oil if you want, or you can decide to add it to your chicken and your potatoes when you're done. So I'll start by putting the chicken on there, but you can put it up. It depends on the oven you're using. So I'll be putting the potatoes and the chicken first in the oven before I come and add the veggies later. So guys, look how beautiful that is. So now I'm going to be prepping my carrots. I'm just cutting the carrots round. Now you can see, yeah, I just cut them round. So now the potatoes and chicken is out of the oven. I'm just going to be adding my carrots and also my green beans. So now we are going to take it back to the oven and allow it to cook for another 45 to 1 hour, depending on the oven that you're using. Okay, mine was about 1 hour because my oven burns only from the dan and not from the hob. So at this stage our food is ready. Look at that, guys, look at that. Tell me it's not delicious. This is looking all delicious, guys. Yummy, yummy. Yes. So at this stage my kids, they are ready to devour the food. Yes, so we are all ready to eat now. It was on a Saturday and this was our lunch for the day. So we are ready to eat, guys. You can come and join us.
One is like a pulley one. Two chicken, mommy, please. I want two chicken, please. I want a two chicken. I want two chicken. I want this one. Yummy.
Yeah. We're about to have lunch now.
Yes. It's yummy, guys. It got some carrots. God bless you for Jesus' name. Yummy.
It's nice.
Yes, guys.
I like it.
And mommy, baby.
Before you people will go to